Ang dami nyo.
Bring him home. Duterte. Bring him home. Duterte. Bring him home. I'm from Germany. Bring him home. Norway. Yes. From UK. Bring him home.
Iko na, yun siya, gusto ko nila.
Salamat po.
So may update sa interim release?
Dili ko katubagan.
Kamusta si Tatay Carol, ma'am?
Maayo. Nangumusta siya nila.
Yung health niya, ma'am.
Health sa 80 years old. Kinaiyahan niya dapat.
Bibit-bitin lang.
Anong wala na nakatag, ma'am?
Taas, ha?
Anong wala na nakatag?
Dili kay palitan mo na kita ko siya last time. Tapos, ingon ang taga dito, taas yung blood sugar. Nagpapalit siya. Ipadala na, nakaduha na ba siya ko? Napalitan na ako ng zero. So ako ano lang ginala. Ako na lang inuman.
Chips, ma'am. Pwede pa siya sa chips. Chips.
Okay lang.
Ba, meron ba?
Murag na nambok lagi siya, ma'am, no? Nabasay, bantay ni mo katong sa picture, magod nakita na ko, gi-post ba nga, nakalingkod, bitaw siya sa iyahan.
Dugay
Ay
na to.
magtuwa na.
Lagi, ano man ito?
Daghan mga fake.
Daghan mga fake.
Ay magbasta tutuwa ng mga social media.
Yeah, tama.
Pero nanambok siya, ma'am. Basay, tanaw ni masaya.
Payat siya.
Mayat siya.
Pati ganun ikaw, ma'am, no, namaniyat.
Kumusta ma'am
Mayat ka ni Mia na ano diri.
Yeah, tama.
Kumusta ma'am ang kaon?
Dapat magpagkaon.
Ano yun, mag-stay o iuwi sa Pilipinas?
Hindi, merong state party na magiging host niya. Basta state member ng to the Rome statue.
Parang yung kay Sisi.
So, yun yung mangyayari na interim release. But I'm not sure if it's going to be here within Europe. Maybe somewhere else. Basta state member na willing to host.
For safety.
Hindi redacted yung mga information na gano'n, mga sensitive ma'am eh. Wala tayong magagawa.
But at least hindi siya nandiyan.
Oo, at least ang importante mapauwi siya. Hello, Kuya Mida.
Wait. Pagka ganun, pwedeng umuwi na.
Hindi, kailangan readily available siya kung kailangan rin siya mag-appear before the court.
So pag interim release, antayin.
Provisional release lang yun, para lang yung bail. Alam mo
Parang
yun?
lalabas lang siya. Tapos, within Europe lang.
Hindi na natin sigurado kung within Europe.
Sabihin ko saan siya.
Hindi ko din alam ma'am kung within Europe ba or Asia ba or somewhere else.
Security reason, pwede. Tapos, para pagka kung sino yung state member na nakakaalam, papaalam na kung kailan ang hearing.
Okay, problema sa importante. Maayo kung makagawas lagi na siya. Kaya sa may reason nila para dili igawas si Tatay Digong na wala naman i-oppose ang prosecution team. So naman sila non-opposition. So also naman okay man po ang grounds. I'm confident ko in a way.
Okay, Attorney Kaufman. He also just doing the way he talks and okay.
Pero na dismiss ba yan kaya ako answer motion to disqualify two of the three judges. So I don't know if what they're going to do simultaneously ba or otherwise. Sorry sir, magiging ko kayo.
Go lang.
Madlok magugumutulok ko sa storya to. Salamat sa pastars. Rosana B. Soto sa Germany. Sa Germany na Pauli yun. Kung sa Germany, okay lang. Then maybe every weekend we can go there. Then I cannot go there almost every day anymore kung sa Germany. Kasi medyo madistansya din sa Germany. Bakit siya nagagalit? Ano ba yung... Bakit nagagalit si Delima kay Kaufman? Delima to Kaufman. The grant of the judge's application for interim release has a snowball's chance in hell. Kaufman has to earn his keep. He has to show his client his professional fee is being put to good use. political. Can you see? He also has to sustain the hope and morale of DDS fanatics. Madam. On the other hand, the ICC prosecutors have to make an appearance of not being too unreasonable, hence the show of being open to negotiation on the conditions of the release. That's why they have no opposition with respect to the interim release. What is the fuss there? There's no opposition anymore. Are you saying that they are just, pakitang tao? What is certain and absolute, the ICC knows it cannot afford to take the chance in releasing Duterte. They know that once they do, Duterte is most likely not coming back to The Hague. How? How can you say that? There are definitely preconditions that needs to be met and that needs to be justified. That's why nga, maghihingi pa yan ng written observations sa ata or whatnot reasons ang penitentiary court. Why is it so unreasonable? Hey, the person is already 80 years old. Vengeance? Yun ba yun? And also, he has also to sustain the hope and morale. We will always sustain, whether or not Kaufman will give us information or whatnot. We will always sustain our hope and morale. Our morale will always be high, no matter what. Whether it's going to go up and down, just like how life is. Our morale will always be there, steady, strong. Huwag ka na magpa-epal dyan. Yung sinabi yan ni VP, totoo yan. Ni VP Inday. Hey Alvin, when kaya tayo mag-wait sa result ng interim release? Maybe next week? Or the week after next week? Maybe 2 weeks? Ideas anti-violence bill ma-approve. I have no idea. I posted something about that. Who are the member states who are state member to the Rome Statute? There are 125 state member to the Rome Statute, guys. We can only think of, the requirement is that the host should be willing, the host state member should be willing to host PRRD. Yun po ang totoo. Alvin, Duterte Street, nagsagsalamat sa update. Alam nyo, wala akong ginagawa sa bahay. Gusto ko lang dito sa Duterte Street. Mag-usap sa mga kababayan. Parang relax lang ba? At the same time, lumalaban ka. Uminto ako doon sa in front ng entrance. Wala na yung abogado ni tatay. Next week na talaga yung ma-interview. Kasi sabi din ng abogado kasama ng defense team, wala daw si Kaufman this week, next week na daw. Sabi niya, busy daw, sobrang busy daw. Kaya pala kasi nag-submit na pala ng interim release. Urgent request for an interim release. Ganun pala yun.